Here's a real quick video showing you how to assemble the Laser 6200 timing belt kit used on the PSA 1 litre and 1.2 engine. It may look a little confusing at first, but it's really easy to assemble. Start by taking the bigger two pieces and just bolt them together with the bolt that is required. This can be tightened once on the engine. Then on the smaller piece, the smaller guide assembles to this. And on the right, as seen here, the larger piece bolts on there. Now, as you can see, I've used some Tipex marks. This is just great for when you use it the next time. It just saves a lot of time with reassembling the kit. And as you can see, once assembled, it just drops down nicely onto the cams, and then on the left and the right you can fit one of the bolts in each side to retain this in position that you can see now. If you'd like to see how this job is done from start to finish, fitting the timing belt, then why not check out the links at the end of the video. So thanks for watching. This has been how to fix it. Why not check out these videos right now, and I will see you over there straight away. And I almost forgot, if you need to get hold of this timing kit, why not check out our Linktree page where we have all the items available for you to purchase.